School libraries are safe spaces for children to open their minds to the virtues of cross-dressing and communism. So, if you wrote a book about sea turtles and their wacky adventures, you may find trouble getting your story approved by a librarian. You're going to need to update that timeless tale for a contemporary audience. Here are some family-friendly ideas to add to your books to get them featured in public libraries. First, douse it in glitter and blue lipstick. Librarians don't spend a lot of time reading, so if the cover appeals to them, you're in. Next, make sure there's no whites on the cover. Better yet, don't include whites at all. Include at least one pornographic description of a sexual act, preferably performed by badgers. Consider adding dragons. Even if it's a book about World War II, kids love dragons, but make sure the dragons are gay. Rainbows, rainbows, rainbows. I cannot stress this enough. Rainbows. As long as you're not talking about the Noahic Covenant. That guy's gross, he's a bigot. Dress in drag for your author's photo. You look gorgeous. Next, get Yoel Roth to write a special foreword for your book. He's the arbiter of all knowledge. Finally, have the story end with the destruction of the world due to climate change. If your parents had an electric car, the dinosaurs would still be alive today. Those are just a few simple ideas to help you get started on your journey towards child-friendly author status. If you have any other ideas? Leave them in the comments down below. Bye! You're terrible, bad people. Drive an electric car!